Hey everybody, it's Chris the Chrome Consultant down here at Boston Harley-Davidson. Got another one going home soon, brand new 19 Road Glide special. We did the factory 47s on this one, the S&S mufflers, but recently we did a video of the Boom 2 audio with the amp in it. It was pretty awesome. We did a good video, it came out really nice. This customer wanted to take it up another notch. We have Boom 2, 6 speaker and 3 amp kit. We come around, check out these speakers. We got the tweeter mounted on the grill, and then the mid-range is behind it. So we got the Ferrin, the lower Ferrin. We did the painted to match, inner and outer. We got the Defiance collection on the floorboards and foot pegs. We got the saddlebag lid speakers. We also got an amp in each saddlebag. That's where those go for the extra speakers. We did the short backrest here, the standard height backrest. We got the CVO seat. Now let's give it a listen. Hopefully we get some good sound quality out of this one.
Late one night behind one whiskey, I fell asleep with a guitar in my hand. I dreamed about the door from Mississippi, and the blues came walking like a man. Without a word, I passed that guitar over. He tuned it up like I'd never seen. His smile was expression.
All right, let us know what you guys think. If you need any stereo stuff done, let us know, or any winter projects. We're here for you guys. 617-389-8888. Thanks, have a great day.